Hey guys, welcome to Sugar Coated. Today's cake is for a donut themed birthday party. Here I have my first of 4 layers of confetti cake, and I'm using cherry flavored buttercream to fill them in. Because I'm only using the cherry buttercream for the layers, I don't want it coming off the sides. So once I have an even layer of buttercream, I just pull the sides inwards and add my next layer of cake. Here I'm adding a thin layer of buttercream to the top and sides to trap any crumbs and to let it chill for about 15 minutes in the fridge. The only tool I'm using is an offset spatula, so it's okay if the buttercream isn't perfect because most of the cake will be covered when I decorate it. Now that I have my cake out of the fridge, I'm adding my final layer of buttercream. Here I'm adding my drip, which is just made of white chocolate and heavy cream. I start all around the edges and then I work my way inwards to the middle. To decorate, I put these cute sprinkles around the bottom of the cake, and now I'm sticking some donuts into the top using long toothpicks. I bought the donuts plain so I could add my own sprinkles to match the bottom of the cake, and then I'm adding colorful large gumballs and some pink chocolate pearls around them. Here I'm adding a cake topper to go with the birthday theme, and then I'm taking it to the party. Hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you want to see next in the comments.